guys, I am cleaning out my refrigerators and going through and trying to figure out what I need to pick up from the grocery store. I'm just using my phone right now because I have a new tripod, but my husband's using it right now for something. So since he is out and about with my tripod, I'm just using my phone. So I gotta go through the refrigerator and figure out what I need to replenish the pantry and the refrigerator with. And I gotta clean this out. I'm gonna try to prop this phone up the best that I can so that I can clean it out, because I wanted to get this clip in this weekend vlog or whatever. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm getting ready to go get my notebook so I can make a note of what we need, and we need a lot of stuff.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. Get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again, stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer, trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I will get up again, stronger than I ever been. I will get up again, stronger than I ever been.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been falling.
Alright, this is the monthly grocery part of it. I'm gonna do the other half when we get the other half. They messed up our pickup. So we got 2 things of bread, thing of Granny Smith apples, got some bell peppers. They gave me 1 tomato here. What am I gonna do with that? I got some green onions.
Better not edit me out.
And then I picked up a salad because my mama has been on my case about me getting some plants back in my diet.
In the background.
So I got some spring mix, which I gotta eat salad, and 1 green bell pepper. Supposed to be 3. Oh, we got 3 right here in this mix. So then we got some tomatoes. And that's that. And then we got some orange juice, which I had to open up because I'm like extra thirsty. So, drunk some of that. So then I got some russet potatoes. And then I got some Oreos because I'm going to make my husband and my family a pumpkin dessert. I can't believe I'm making something with pumpkin in it. And then we got some chicken stock and some Ritz crackers for something that I want to make. Some honey bunches of oats. I picked up some heavy cream because we've been looking at a whole bunch of recipes where we need heavy cream for soups and stuff. And then we got some pumpkin puree. Just right stuff. I hope this is the right stuff. I guess this is the pumpkin puree we need for the dessert. Got 2 things of syrup and some pumpkin spice. My camera is... My husband trying to get my attention. I ain't paying him no attention. Mushrooms, turkey meat, because I have been eating and I can taste turkey. So we got some turkey. I got some imitation vanilla because the real vanilla, the regular one was $10. I'm not paying for that. Got some whole corn of corn, some cornstarch. Gotta clean this up. I'm sorry. Got some pancake waffle mix. I did not know what I was getting, so we're gonna get some more in the other pickup because this ain't gonna feed nobody. Then we got some chicken thighs, some bacon, and 2 things of ground beef. And so that is our first pickup, and they like messed it up bad. Half the stuff that we got is not here. Oh, hold that. Okay, so then we got some sugar and some milk and some eggs. So I will be back with the other half of this grocery haul. Okay, this is part 2 of our grocery haul. We had to go pick up some more stuff. We got some pancake mix, some waffle mix, some popsicles because when I can't eat, this is what I have been eating. Carrots. We got some coffee creamer and white mocha. We got some peppermint mocha. We got some iced coffee and mocha. Some cream cheese for baking and stuff. Some more chicken stock. Some turkey sausage. We got some more bacon. Some chicken nuggets. We got some celery hearts. And we still got to clean this kitchen. Some steaks. Some lettuce, more oranges, woohoo! Some salmon and some cucumbers. I normally don't put this over here, but we're just trying to get this stuff put up. We got some lima beans for something I'm making. Some more meat, some chicken, some chicken wings, some chicken breast. What is this? Some more chicken breast. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. And then we got some chicken breasts right here and some chicken drumsticks and some bananas. So that is our monthly grocery haul.
Life Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.